process of reading data from our Google Drive into a Colab notebook. I've got a new project folder here. This is Melbourne housing data. My data is tucked away inside the data subfolder. Going back out to the main folder, I'm going to create a new Colab notebook here. So new, because I've previously installed Colab, I can create a new notebook. I'll give it a name like usual, Zero Explore. We're exploring that notebook initially. And now, just cutting to the chase, not messing with introductory cells for now, I'm going to go ahead and import pandas. That may take just a moment. Once I have it imported, I'm not going to save the data to a variable yet. I'm just going to test to make sure I can get the connection. Now, this time, we know the path is going to be data and then melb data. So locally, we could do it like this with a relative URL from our current notebook into the neighboring next door folder and then grab that data file. If we try it here, though, we get an error. We're going to need the full path from within our Google Drive or Google Space that we have available to us, so we've got to replace this. And so to do that, we'll go over here to the file browser. Currently we have access to some sample data, but I'm going to connect to the Google Drive. If you've not done this before, it's going to ask for some authorizations. I've previously given the authorizations. I had to click a link, copy and paste a code, paste it back in here in order to authorize the connection to my Google Drive. But having done that, then I just need to click this connection, say yes, do it, and then my drive will show up. Now I can drill into it. It takes just a couple of steps before you get to your desired folder. And now once you're here, we can look at that file. I just double clicked it. It'll give us a preview on the side. I'm going to close this for now. Another option here is that I can go to the file, click the three dots there, copy the path. Okay? So I've copied that path, and then I can paste that. I'm just using the controller command V for paste. Now I'm executing that cell. And there we go. I can close my file browser. It's still there, available on the right, or on the left, that is. But I read my data in, and now I can save it to a variable and get off and running.